you force attention to me, seen me going along, and you realize that it's a woman passing, and then for some reason you recognize it's a transgender woman. What caused you to hate on me? I just find myself early dressing differently from my rest of brother because I'm the kind of person that once my mom was very flashy, very outgoing, nice person in terms of dress. So every time she went out to associate with your friends, and once she buys such a nice garment, and since that she took them off when she falls asleep, I would get up in the middle of the night and then dressed in them, and then maybe for 2 minutes look in front of the wardrobe, see how beautiful I look in them, and then take them off. And I could speak on the behalf of my mom and my siblings. I don't think they treat me different. My sex doesn't define who I am when it comes to my family setting. Now, times has changed a lot from 2009. I could say fairly because there weren't much spaces that I could have gone and didn't been recognized. And at that time, I think every corner that you walk, you would have heard some maybe 2 to 3 order in some way negative because of the fact that male, the stereotype, once they see that you're dressing in a particular form that you're not supposed, they feel that you're not supposed to dress, then they wanted to lash out in homophobia or transphobia behavior. One of the things I did is to do much shutting, and meaning that I depend at the time for my siblings to go out and do anything for me just to avoid the attention. Most time I pass as a female, so I don't have those attention that I do had before 2009. And in Guyana, there's not any person that really employ transgender woman, especially if you dress in female attire expressing your gender identity. At one time I had a canteen, and I used to, was really good because I had employers, but I think I snare myself because of the so much phobia that I felt early, that I felt that it would have been stigmatized, and I think I failed to push it more. We're so driven by homophobia and transphobia. You're left without income to the end of the month and lead to poverty. Taking the government to court for a cross-dressing cases was the most low-hanging fruit because the particular law now doesn't deal with male or female, it's both, it's male and female the law affect. But what we saw from this particular law, it's only a group of persons being criminalized under the law, and it's transgender person. Female are allowed to wear pants, male are going into theater and performing and wearing female attire, but they are not being criminalized under the law. I must know what is the law and able to read the law before I commit an act. I shouldn't commit an act and then bend before the court and then the magistrate decide what is the improper purpose. But for me, it's to continue to hold on the first win that we win, and the first win would have been 2013 to say, okay, I do have the right to express my gender identity.